Hi guys, ever since Android OpenCamp project has been kicked off, the usability of Ice Cream Sandwich, that's ICS 4.0 firmware, has been upscaled to a much more better manner than the default stock version. And in this video we'll be checking about on how you can install latest custom ROM firmware based on the AOKP project, that's Resurrection Remix ICS 2.5.3 version, which is basically based on the ICS 4.0.4 with the latest firmware of ICS in your Samsung Galaxy S2. So this is Samsung Galaxy S2 smartphone just working it right now. So before you proceed, you need to first up download the Resurrection Remix custom ROM firmware package from the below link mentioned in your computer, and then connect your Samsung Galaxy S2 smartphone with the computer with the help of the original USB cable, and then place the downloaded zip file in your device. Ensure that you're not placing the zip file deep into your device or the subfolders. So once it's done, you need to disconnect the phone and turn off the device, or else you can also probably enter your device. If your device is already rooted and CWM manager is already there, just open the same and select this option of reboot into clockwork mode recovery. This would now boot the device in the clockwork mode recovery mode. So as you can see here that the clockwork mode recovery is booted up. So before you proceed, you need to first ensure that you are selecting the wipe data or factory reset option. Just select on the same, and with the help of volume up and down keys, press the power button to select the same. So as you can see that the data wipe has been complete, and up next you need to select the wipe cache partition. Just select on the same and press on the power button, and then yes, wipe cache, press the power button to select the same. Now up next, get into the advanced option and then select the option of wipe Dalvik cache, and again navigate to the yes wipe Dalvik cache option and press the power button. Once it's done, you also need to wipe the battery stats so as to ensure that you get better battery life once you're updated with this firmware. Just select on yes. So that's it. So once it's done, you need to then select the option of go back and install zip from SD card. After this, you need to select the option of choose zip from internal SD card, and then the one which you are seeing it right now on your screen, it's a Resurrection Remix ICS 2.5.3. This is the same zip file which we have placed in this device. So now need to navigate to the same and press on power button. After this, select on yes, install Resurrection Remix ICS. So you can see that the firmware file has been selected. Now it will take some time for updating the same. As you can see that you're about to install the Resurrection Remix ROM version, that's RR 2.5.3 Jelly Bean edition. So now tap on next to continue. So in here you can select out of three options, that's default installation, light installation, or custom installation. So you can select any of those. If I select the custom installation and all, then you'll be getting a host of other options which you could select from. So I would like to select the light installation. So now it's done, but it's preferred to select the default installation so as to get all the applications which are mentioned in the list in your Samsung Galaxy S2 smartphone. Once it's done, tap on install RR, that Resurrection Remix. So as you can see that all the APKs are being installed. Here as you can see that It will take around 2 to 3 minutes for updating and installing this firmware. So you need to be patient at this point of time, and you have to ensure that you're not pressing the power button. Apart from this firmware also have got recent change logs. There are no force close errors which are being found on the USB mass storage mode, and also the noise suppressor has been substantially improved, along with the clock application, which is already also fixed. So there are plenty of things which have been improved in this version of firmware. So as you can see that installation has been done. Now just tap on next. Now just try to reboot your phone. So you can see that the device is being rebooted. Ensure that you are having enough battery life before flashing this update. So this is a Resurrection Remix logo which you are seeing it right now on your screen. And since it's the first time the device is being booted up, it will take a minute or two to finalize all the installation of applications and to finalize all the device to come up with the home screen or the contactless selector page. And also the launcher which this custom ROM firmware employs is the Apex launcher. The Apex launcher is being used in this custom ROM firmware. As you can see that still the device is on the Resurrection Remix logo. Also ensure that once the device is being loaded up with all the applications and the internet connectivity is on, don't forget to update the super user package, the latest binaries, because again this will be a very crucial one before giving an access to third-party applications, the root access. So here is it. It's asking for the country selection. Let's tap on start, automatic time and date. Then you can enter all your Google account details over here. If not, you can also skip for later. Just tap on next, and then you may give your name as well, which is another optional field. Just click on tap on next and then the finish. So as you can see that this is a AOKP build which you're seeing it right now on your screen, and comes with least number of applications since I've selected the light mode of this custom ROM firmware. So once it's dropped down, you can see quick options called Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, means Bluetooth, and also rotate option is being given over here. Also additionally you can also adjust brightness of the device. And then when it comes to applications, most of the Google Play applications are there. That's Play Books, one of the recent applications. Then the Play Music, there's the latest Play Music application taken from the Jelly Bean 4.1 OS. And then the People, it's nothing but the contacts. And then the latest version of Play Store. And then just in case if this firmware of Resurrection Remix gets any updates, you can check the same from the Update Me section. All in all, this firmware is one of the smoothest firmware which you have seen it. As you can see that there's a Apex menu and the Apex settings which are being over here. We have got all the Apex launcher settings, and there's a full version of Apex and not the trial version of the Apex. There's a dialer, so you're seeing it right now, and it resembles much more like an ICS dialer. There's a messaging, the Internet Explorer, which is as same as that of any of the ICS devices. The settings option which is being given over here, and in settings option you will find that there are many additional settings. That's reselection settings, ROM settings, themes you can choose from, and also you can install many other themes. So let's check with the new theme, Achromatic. So now you can see that the theme has been applied, the new theme. So now you can see many other options, that's Samsung Galaxy SGS2 settings, screen, and then the sensors. You can calibrate, also the calibration data option is available over here. Haptic option is being given over here. So there are plenty of options which are being given over here, and you can make use of them. So that's it from here. And also to check the version on whether the device has been upgraded or not, just tap on the menu and in the system settings, navigate to the about phone section, where you'll be finding all the information about your firmware. This is based on the IMM76i Resurrection Remix. It's a developer name, and it's based on the XXLPS version of modem, and also ropes in the latest 4.0.4, that's Ginger ICS latest version of firmware. And also, if possible, you can also tick or untick this, just to ensure that all the errors are being reported to the team and the same is being worked upon in the next releases. So you can see that these are all the details which are being given over here. All in all, this firmware is one of the smoothest firmware ever. So that's it from us. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks.